Connectivity is important in today's world. Your Cochlear Nucleus 8 sound processor is designed to integrate directly with many types of technology you use every day, making it easier than ever to fit your lifestyle. From controlling your processor with your phone, to making phone calls, using FaceTime with family, listening to podcasts, or even watching your favorite Netflix series. It all starts with pairing your processor to a compatible device. Today, we'll be using an iPhone to demonstrate the pairing process. Go into Settings on your iPhone and select Accessibility. Scroll down and select Hearing Devices. Next, turn your sound processor off, then back on by reconnecting the battery again. You'll see your processor appear on your phone. Select it and tap Pair when prompted. The processor will flash blue, indicating the pairing was successful. If you want to adjust your streaming settings, you can do so in this Hearing Devices menu. You can choose if you want to enable or disable ringtones or phone system sounds streaming into your processor. If you are a parent or caregiver of a recipient, you may want to disable streaming calls and media into the processor. To do this, click Audio Routing. Disable the call and/or media audio streaming by clicking each ribbon and selecting Never Hearing Devices. If you are a recipient with normal hearing in your other ear, changing the audio routing settings can be helpful when switching between hearing through the phone speaker and directly streaming to the processor while doing listening exercises. If you need to delete a previous sound processor or hearing device in order to pair a new one, you will forget the previous device and then follow the steps from the beginning of this video. Now you can place a phone call, FaceTime with the grandkids, listen to music or podcasts, and hear it directly through your processor. If I want to place a phone call on my Apple device, I'd simply dial the number, and as it's ringing, you'll hear a private tone that indicates it started streaming through your processor. You can verify or adjust the audio source here. Or if I wanted to listen to a podcast, just press play. You can verify the audio source below. Now to control the settings on your Nucleus 8, you have two options. If you want quick control of your processor settings, you can make changes by triple-clicking the side button, which will bring up a menu to change processor volume or select a hearing program. For access to additional control and features, you can utilize the free Cochlear Nucleus Smart App available on the Apple App Store and Google Play. If you haven't downloaded the app, please pause this video and do so now. If this is your first time using the app, you'll be prompted to log in with your Cochlear family account and follow the steps on the screen. The Nucleus Smart App provides you with a range of control functionality and information about your Nucleus 8. Battery status and sound check to make sure the microphones are working properly. Volume control. Changing between programs and utilizing forward focus if it was enabled by your clinician. Selecting which Cochlear True wireless accessory you want to use. Hearing tracker to track time and speech, and setting personalized hearing goals. And Find My Processor, which helps you locate a misplaced sound processor. One quick tip is to leave the app running in the background so that it's easier to access. It also allows your hearing tracker to capture your data, so you know if you're achieving your hearing goals. Lastly, if you've misplaced your sound processor, it can help you pinpoint the last known location. For a deeper dive into connectivity for iPhone and Android or the Nucleus Smart App, check out the supplementary videos in our playlist. Welcome to the world of connectivity.